Now we move on to the winners of the Eastern region. This year we have 24 winners from 5 languages: Hindi, English, Assamese, Bengali, and Odia, across 3 media: print, electronic, and web, and 7 categories: article, blog, editorial, feature, investigative story, news story, and radio. The award for print feature in Hindi goes to Ravi Shankar Upadhyay for बिहार के ट्रांसजेंडर ने अपनी काबिलियत से बनाई पहचान in प्रभात खबर. Ravi Shankar Upadhyay's feature presents the efforts made by the transgender community in creating a space for themselves in society. In appreciation of his effort to advocate for the rights of transgender persons with wider audience, Ravi Shankar Upadhyay is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मेरा आर्टिकल ट्रांसजेंडरों ने अपनी काबिलियत से बनाई पहचान का चयन लाडली मीडिया अवार्ड्स की फीचर कैटेगरी के लिए किया गया है। मैं इसके लिए पॉपुलेशन फर्स्ट लाडली मीडिया अवार्ड्स की पूरी टीम को बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ।
The award for print investigative story in Hindi goes to गुरु स्वरूप मिश्रा for ऐसे खत्म हो सकता है मानव तस्करी के काले धंधे का खेल in प्रभात खबर. Guru Swarup Mishra's investigative report focuses on human trafficking, challenges, the exploitation at source and destination points, lack of data, and some key recommendations. In appreciation of a detailed, well-rounded, and sensitive investigative story, Guru Swarup Mishra is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
लाडली मीडिया एंड एडवर्टाइजिंग अवार्ड 2020 मैं ग्रामीण पत्रकारिता को समर्पित करता हूं और यह सम्मान ग्रामीण पत्रकारिता को समर्पित है। इसके लिए मैं प्रभात खबर प्रबंधन और पॉपुलेशन फर्स्ट के प्रति आभार प्रकट करता हूं।
The next award presented for print news report in Hindi goes to Pooja Singh for ये दाग जरूरी है, प्रभात खबर. Pooja Singh's news report on menstruation and menstrual practices illustrates the many social, cultural, and religious restrictions that continue to be major barriers in menstrual hygiene management. In appreciation of a thorough report with facts, figures, and diverse perspectives, Pooja Singh is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
लाडली मीडिया अवार्ड चयनित किए जाने को लेकर आप सभी का धन्यवाद करती हूं। साथ ही प्रभात खबर प्रबंधन और पॉपुलेशन फर्स्ट का तहे दिल से आभार व्यक्त करती हूं। धन्यवाद।
The award for web-based blog in Hindi goes to Soumya Jyotsna for गंदे और बिन पानी के शौचालयों की वजह से मेरी दोस्त को UTI हो गया on youthkiawaz.com. Soumya Jyotsna's blog is a story depicting the lived experiences of women and their battle with unclean sanitation facilities and its impact on their health. In appreciation of connecting larger issues with personal experiences and appealing for action, Soumya Jyotsna is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
मेरा नाम सौम्या ज्योत्सना है और मैं मुजफ्फरपुर बिहार से हूँ। इस बार के लाडली मीडिया अवार्ड 2020 के लिए मेरा सिलेक्शन ब्लॉग और प्रिंट कैटेगरी में हुआ है। ब्लॉग कैटेगरी में मेरे लेख गंदे और बिन पानी के शौचालय की वजह से मेरी दोस्त को UTI हो गया के लिए मुझे अवार्ड के लिए चुना गया है और प्रिंट में मेरे द्वारा लिखे लेख इज़्ज़त और मर्दानगी के सही मायने के लिए मुझे एप्रिसिएशन सर्टिफिकेट के लिए चुना गया है, जिसके लिए मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और मैं लाडली को थैंक यू कहना चाहती हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच।
The award for web-based feature in Hindi goes to Mohammad Asghar Khan for बैटरी वाली गाड़ी के जरिए जीविका तलाशती 3 महिलाएं on bbc.com. Mohammad Asghar Khan presents an inspiring profile of 3 women e-rickshaw drivers of Ranchi who decided to continue to drive e-rickshaws despite the condensation they faced from their male peers. In appreciation of presenting an inspiring story that celebrates the grit and determination of women, Mohammad Asghar Khan is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020. The next award presented for web-based investigative story in Hindi goes to Mohammad Asghar Khan for बलात्कार के बाद जन्मी बच्ची की कीमत 15,000 on newslaundry.com. Mohammad Asgar's investigative story of a rape survivor and her conspicuously missing daughter, born as a result of the rape, is a harrowing tale. In appreciation of an objective, thorough, and methodical investigative report, Mohammad Asgar Khan is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम मोहम्मद असगर खान हुआ। मैं बीते 5 साल से झारखंड में पत्रकारिता कर रहा हूं। बीते 2 साल से मैं फ्रीलांसिंग पत्रकारिता कर रहा हूं। इस बार लाडली मीडिया एंड एडवर्टाइजिंग अवार्ड 2020 से मुझे सम्मानित किया गया है। मुझे 2 स्टोरी के लिए 2 अवार्ड मिला, एक फीचर और दूसरा इन्वेस्टिगेटिव स्टोरी के लिए। इस अवार्ड के लिए लाडली की टीम और लाडली के जो जूरी मेंबर हैं उनका तहे दिल से बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि उन्होंने मुझे इस काबिल समझा।
Now we present the awards to the winners in English language from Eastern region. The first award for print editorial in English goes to Chitralekha Barua for unscripted monologue in the Assam Tribune. Chitralekha Barua's editorial focuses on the pervasive crime of sexual harassment of girls. In appreciation of exploring the issue from social and feminist perspectives, and examining the steps taken by regulatory bodies and policymakers, Chitralekha Barua is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
I am taking this privilege to extend my sincere gratitude to Population First for this wonderful platform to the hard-working media activists who want to break gender stereotype, which is so normalized in our lives that most of us don't even feel, but it continuously blocks development, pushing back half of the human population.
The award for print feature in English goes to Anuradha Sharma for The Silent Shades of the Tea Leaf in Fountain Ink magazine. Anuradha Sharma's well-researched feature focuses on the lives and the pervasive exploitation of women in tea gardens. In appreciation of an exceptionally detailed feature that captures the lives of women working in tea gardens, Anuradha Sharma is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
Thank you Population First for selecting my work for the prestigious award. I thank Fountain Ink magazine for publishing my story. It was the most fitting platform from where to make the voices of hard-working women tea workers heard. I have tried to tell the stories of their daily struggles inside the closed tea gardens. Thank you for recognizing my effort.
The award for print news report in English goes to Farhana Ahmed for escaping sex slavery in Arunachal Pradesh. Woman awaits justice in the Assam Tribune. Farhana Ahmed's report focuses on sex slavery of young girls and boys, especially from marginalized communities from Assam in the hinterlands and tea plantations of Arunachal Pradesh. In appreciation of bringing the issue of sex slavery to the fore with sensitivity, Farhana Ahmed is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
I am very much glad and happy to receive this Ladli Award for the second time. This award is in recognition for me for this relentless campaign against human trafficking, girl-child trafficking and sex slavery from this area. I am receiving this award on behalf of this victim of girl-child trafficking and slavery. Thank you Population First for this recognition. Thank you again.
The award for web-based feature in English goes to Rini Barman for Wrapped in the Popularity of Assam's Mekla Sadar, are stories of lost diversity on scroll.in. Rini Barman's feature depicts the growing popularity of the traditional garb of Mekla Sadar over the years and the consequent decline of its diversity of design and symbolism. In appreciation of highlighting the traditional knowledge rural women artisans hold, which is under the threat of disappearance, Rini Barman is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
I am super excited to receive the Ladli Media Award by Population First. I would like to thank their initiative first of all, and secondly, with this particular award, I would not just like to reach out to my readers, but also forge relationships of goodwill, community and hope among them. in these dire times, even though this particular road is carved with a lot of challenges, it is a journey that will keep me going. Thank you so much, Lali Media.
The award for web-based investigative series in English goes to Urmi Bhattacharya for child sexual abuse on thequint.com. Urmi Bhattacharya's investigative series on child sexual abuse is heartbreaking. In appreciation of her mature and sensitive reporting on child sexual abuse, Urmi Bhattacharya is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
Hi everybody, it's so great to be with everybody virtually today. Thank you so much Population First for this Ladli, which is for two stories that are extremely close to my heart. One is a story that I did on the rape of an 8-month-old baby in Delhi, and the other is a series that I followed with survivors, adult survivors of child sexual abuse, and how they're dealing with the trauma years later. So this award is dedicated entirely to them because they shared their stories, they opened their hearts to me when they needn't have. So thank you so much.
The award for web-based news report in English goes to Cherry Agarwal for an anatomy of op-ed and editorial pages on newslaundry.com. Cherry Agarwal presents a research-based report on the lack of representation of women journalists in editorial and op-ed spaces in leading and reputed newspapers, corroborated by eminent women journalists. In appreciation of her introspective media analysis, Cherry Agarwal is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020. The award for web-based special edition in English goes to Rini Burman for crossing borders and singing erotic desires in Bhavaiya folk music on zubanprojects.org. Rini Burman's ethnographic essay is an exploration of the voice of the Bhavaiya women as they express their rebellion against patriarchal control over their bodies and their desire through their folk music and songs. In appreciation of a detailed and in-depth exploration of the life and art of Bhavaiya women, Rini Burman is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020. Each year, we receive several applications for the Media Awards, and every year, we are equally overwhelmed by the enthusiastic support of the members of journalism and media industry as jurors. We now share with you a message from Dr. Geeta Chadha, a professor in gender studies from SMDT University, our jury member for the Eastern Region Awards. Dr. Geeta Chadha.
It's indeed a pleasure to be part of the jury for the Ladli Awards, simply because it's very, very reassuring to see the kind of work that young people are doing at the grassroots, and also the kind of work that they're doing on looking at their own professions. I think the awards are not really about rewarding one individual person or one story, but it's about the growing critical consciousness that is emerging in our society on gender justice. We need it much more today. So I'm very thankful that Ladli Awards exist as an incentive for younger people, if they need one, to really take on some groundbreaking work.
Thank you, Dr. Chadha, for your encouraging words. We are grateful for your support to our cause. Now moving on to the Regional Language Awards. First up is Assamese, and the first award for print feature in Assamese goes to Alagananda Shikumari Kakuti for Mukalyakashar Talat in Amar, Assam. Alagananda, through her feature, presents a story of a group of rural women engaged in different income-generating activities and their efforts towards achieving financial independence. In appreciation of reflecting the realities of rural women struggling to have financial stability, Alakananda Shikumari Kakuti is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
Namaste. Thank you, Ladli Media and Advertising, for the award for Mukoli Akashar Talat published in Amar, Assam. Let us help to generate respect for the individual and change the mindset of the younger generation. Thank you.
The award for print news report in Assamese goes to Diganta Sharma for Hamachik Pada Aturai Lingo Hamater Bhiti Nirman in Hadim. Diganta Sharma highlights the life and struggle of a group of women vendors, their unbreakable determination, and the support they receive from their husbands and families. In appreciation, Diganta Sharma is being presented with the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020 for the compassion and sensitivity shown while reporting.
I am very happy to receive the prestigious Ladli Media Advertising Gender Sensitivity Award 2020.
The award for community radio in Assamese goes to Ritu Gogai for Angana on Radio Gantaranga 90.4 FM. Ritu Gogai introduces us to Assam's Kalyani Gogai's journey of engaging and encouraging traditional Muga silkworm rearing practices. In appreciation of a well-crafted story, Ritu Gogai has presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
I'm so glad and happy to receive this Ladli Media Award for the second time. I thank Population First for acknowledging my work and choosing me for conferring upon this prestigious award. Your motivation will guide me to work further in the future with even better and inspired dedication. Thank you so much once again.
Helping us this year with Assamese language applications was Ms. Teresa Rahman, an award-winning journalist, author, and media educator. Let's hear what Ms. Rahman has to say about this year's winners.
I'm a Ladli awardee of 2011, and I had got the award for writing about the entry of women into places of worship, and it was an initiative by the then governor of Assam, J.B. Patnaik. And when the governor got to know that I got the award for writing about his initiative, he invited me to the Raj Bhavan. And that was the time when my younger daughter was just 3 months old and I was nursing my baby. I could not afford to leave her behind, and so I decided to break protocols and rules and carried my baby with me. And I told the governor that here's a journalist who has broken protocols. And he smiled and he said that, okay, your daughter wants to see the world.
Thank you, Ms. Rahman. The anecdote you described will make us follow our path with more conviction. Now moving on to our Bengali awards. The first award for print feature goes to Onmesha Banerjee for Shori Bistri Taka Pabe Shami in Ei Shomoy. Onmesha Banerjee's feature focuses on the hereditary profession of female prostitutes in Dharampura, located in Najafgarh on the outskirts of Delhi. In appreciation of providing an in-depth and sensitive insight into the hereditary practice of prostitution, Onmesha Banerjee is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
Thank you, Population First, for giving me this award. Earlier also I have received Ladli Media Awards. These awards keep me going and inspires me to write on gender sensitivity and women's issues. I am dedicating this award to all the women who are struggling for their life and putting a fight every day. At this tough time, you are hosting this award. So this is my sincere appeal to you. Please stay safe and stay fit. Thank you again, Population First.
The award for print op-ed in Bengali goes to Shukanta Sarkar for Aloy Patho Jatraba Ashay Rangiye Tolar Golpo in Ei Shomoy. Shukanta Sarkar presents an empowering story about a women's organization called Alo in Bongshihari that imparts basic education and vocational training to women. In appreciation of a well-researched op-ed, Shukanta Sarkar is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
It is an immense pleasure to me to know the decision of the juries. I would like to dedicate this award to the members of Alo Women Cooperative Societies, Gangarampur, Dokhin Dinajpur, West Bengal. I am thankful to all of you.
The award for web article in Bengali goes to Jinat Rehana Islam for consistent writing on gender issues in Anandabajar Putrika. Jinat Rehana Islam's range of stories include diverse portrayal of women, from depiction of women in Mrinal Sen directed films The plight of Kashmiri women, she raises a number of critical questions. In appreciation of her consistent reporting on women, Jinat Rehana Islam is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
I would like to thank all these nominees for their brilliant and outstanding performance in their different fields. I would like to thank Anando Bazar Potrika. They gave me opportunity to write in Anando Bazar post editorial. So thank you all.
Now we will move on to present the awards in Odia. The first award for print editorial in Odia goes to Rudra Prasanna Rath for Jyojadi Kali in Dharitri. Rudra Prasanna Rath's editorial emphasizes how colorism negatively impacts both men and women with darker complexion, and yet men are not viewed with as much derision as women. In appreciation of adding nuances to the colorism conversation, Rudra Prasanna Rath is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
I am thankful to the organizers for selecting me for this award. This award is dedicated to my mother, beloved mother, who left for our heavenly abode almost 7 years back. I am also thankful to all the jury members, my family members, my mentors, my colleagues, who have been a constant source of inspiration to me. I sincerely believe that gender disparity exists in almost all the sections of our society, and we must do significant efforts to reduce the disparity in a way that we can. So thanks again for selecting me for this award, and thank you very much for giving this opportunity to the youngsters who are motivated to write more and more on the subject. Thank you. Namaskar.
The award for print feature in Odia goes to Rudra Ranjan Sechpada for Kahapade Rungura Kahate Tabla in Samvad. Rudra Ranjan Sechpada's feature is on Ramchandra, an artist who groomed his 5 daughters in arts, music and dance, and who now run his organization Pancharatna. In appreciation of sharing an inspiring story of encouraging girl children's education, Rudra Ranjan Sechpada is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
I was thrilled to know that I am a winner of Ladli Media Award for this year. I thank all the judges and all the members of Population First to nominate me for this prestigious award. This award must inspire me to write more for the upliftment of women. Thank you a lot.
The award for print news report in Odia goes to Vijaya Dwivedi for Bhabhi Shamira Pheriba Batuku Chahi Rahibaku Paduchi Obibahita in the Samaja. Vijaya Dwivedi's news report highlights the centuries-old custom still in practice among the Dongria Kont tribe of bitsoting girls to boys as soon as they are born, for compelling us to learn more about the unknown traditions among invisible communities negatively impacting women. Vijaya Dwivedi is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
लाडली मीडिया अवार्ड का जूरी को एंड उनका जो स्टाफ सबको मेरा हार्दिक अभिनंदन और थैंक्स फॉर जूरी.
The award for electronic topical issue based program in Odia goes to Supriya Dash for Raha Kola Jio Nuhe Ki Sundari in Nakshatra News. Supriya Dash has picked up an issue that is all pervasive but yet rarely discussed openly: discrimination against girls with dark complexion. In appreciation of a vocal and sensitive discussion of the various historical, sociological and cultural facets of the fixation of Indians with fairness, Supriya Dash is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
Thank you so much Population First for recognizing my work, and it's an absolute honor to receive this prestigious Ladli Media Award for Gender Sensitivity. And this acknowledgement will only motivate me to achieve more success and more committed towards my work in future. And thank you all my respected jury.
The award for weblog in Odia goes to Akhanda for Ajana Sabadaha Kahani Udarana Ruturani on indiamediacenter.wordpress.com. Akhanda brings to the readers an inspiring story of Ruturani Samal, who entered the male bastion of cremating bodies, a profession barred for women. In appreciation of the lucid writing style that takes the readers on a journey of Ruturani's life as she breaks gender barriers, Akhand is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
It is a great initiative for journalists. I thanks Ladli Media Award juries for selecting me. There are many such stories yet to be discovered. I am trying my best to write on these issues. This award encourages me to write such type of story in future also.
This year, we have 2 jury appreciation recognitions from the Eastern region. Soumya Jyotsna is presented the jury appreciation citation for Izzat aur Mardangi ke Sahi Maine in Prabhat Khabar. It is a short yet poignant article that brings to light the very attitudes and language that sanction hegemonic masculinity that associate family honor to women and girls' bodies and question the patriarchal structures of our society that gives birth to it. In appreciation of a thought-provoking writing, Soumya Jyotsna is presented the LMAT 2020 Jury Appreciation Citation. Shatarupa Samantaraya is presented the Jury Appreciation Citation for Malisahina Mollaphala on etvbharat.com. Shatarupa Samantaraya's news report on women in the sex trade past their prime presents with sensitivity their pain, neglect, and the contempt they endure. In appreciation of her effort to bring to the fore the challenges faced by sex workers in their old age, Shatarupa Samantaraya is presented the LMAX 2020 Jury Appreciation Citation. We are at the half point of our event, and it would be a missed opportunity if we do not celebrate these awards with music. And we are lucky today to have the generous support of Pandita Anuradha Pal. She will be performing Tabla Jugalbandi with herself, weaving interactive stories between her traditional and contemporary innovations and enthralling us with her prodigious talent. Ms. Pal is one of India's leading and most innovative percussionists and composers. She is the symbol of women leaders, pioneers, storytellers, and change makers, from the inspiring articles and journalistic pieces which have won awards and recognition this year. Anuradha Pal is President Awardee of the prestigious First Ladies Award, an outstanding category musician of the Ministry of Culture, ICCR, and a top-graded Vidushi of Prasar Bharati. She's internationally acclaimed as the first female professional tabla maestro who has captivated audiences by her solo performances and unique collaborations with various genres of music alike.
Namaskar, a warm welcome to all of you. Today I will be presenting a Tabla Jugalbandi with myself. This is a combination of how the traditional and the contemporary come together, and you will hear different interpretations, stories on the tabla. But first, I will start with the traditional tabla solo with a prayer of Shri Ganesh, that he may heal this world, that there may be peace and good health for all of us. So, this is a Ganesh Vandana on the tabla. Gananam Ganapati Ganesh Lambodar Sohe Bhujachar Ikdant Chandrama Lalat Raje Brahma Vishnu Mahesh Talalay Drupada Gave तो अति विचित्र गणनाथ आज मृदंग बजावे धट दराट धट धट करदान दिन 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 नागे 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 धन दिन दिन तिन तागे नाना तदि गिन दृग दृग धा करदान कृतिक धड़ान तड़ान धा कृतिक धड़ान तड़ान धा कृतिक धड़ान तड़ान धा. I will start with a Pakhavaj Ang Tabla, where you will hear in this Jugalbandi a very unique combination of two rags. Rag Shankara, because Mahadev is the lord of all gods. He is the Nataraj. He is the killer of all demons. And Durga is also the incarnate of Shakti and the one who annihilates the demons. And this is my prayer in my Tabla Jugalbandi, that be it Lord Shankar or Goddess Durga, in this combination, may they all come together to give us peace and good health on this earth. Now, of course, in the lockdown, everyone's at home. You have some clashes. Sometimes the husband wants to do something, sometimes the wife wants to do something else. This used to be a problem, you know, when if they would go shopping also, this would be a problem. The husband wants to buy something, the wife has a different agenda. So here, everyone's at home. And so there can be some clashes, we know that. And it's lockdown time, so let's enjoy this togetherness, but also let's have a good laugh at it. So it goes like this. The husband, the wife. The conversation. Dari takina dagatina gina ta ten tagatina tha tenna dhadi takina tagatina. I told you, please do the dishes. Dhadi takina tagatina gina dhadi takina ta tadha. I don't want to do it. Tha tenna. The romance in the midst of all that chaos. Punjab style. of how the mother is trying to wake up the little child, and the child wants to sleep, and she says, no, I don't have to go now because, there's no school. But she says, no, you have to study, you have to go and, educate yourself and go online and study. So this is the jugalbandi between the mother and the daughter. And finally the mother gets angry and she wakes her up and says, come on, go to school online. Daughter. In this case, it's actually me. It's my personal story. So, my mother trying to wake me up, and I'm saying too lazy and sleepy, and I'm saying my hands are hurting. Let me sleep, and she's saying get up. So, my jugalbandi with my mother. Very much, friends, and all of you across the world who are seeing this beautiful program. I hope that you enjoyed my the journey that I took across India. Music has the incredible power to heal the world, and I hope all these positive harmonies, all this love, all these prayers reach the Almighty, and may us all be healthy and happy once again and rid of this virus. Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Anuradha ji, for such a wonderful performance.